Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. So, you know that big old pile of fabric I had that I was going through and looking for pockets and things to use in my this next journal? I just so happened to see Jessica's video this morning. Jessica I'm a cool mom, and she's recently changed her name to Paper Terrace. So if you've seen Paper Terrace around and you didn't know what it was, do check it out. It's exactly the same. It's Jessica doing exactly her magnificent things. But I was watching her this morning, and she was doing things for her patrons, and I don't know why I've never thought of this, but she took a 12 by 12 and glued on a bunch of pieces, a bunch of scraps, a bunch of pieces, parts, and she then cut it, let's see, I think she cut them 4 inches this way and 3 inches this way, so she ended up with 12 tags. However you want to do it, if you want to cut some 6 inch or 5 or whatever you want is fine. But she cut them, and then she sewed around them. So she made little tags, journaling cards, things. And I just thought that was a brilliant idea, because all of the fabrics that I had pulled out would work in the journal I'm working on. So I just thought I would, give it a try. So I used of course, I glued onto the white side of my paper, and then this is perfect for a pretty side to journal on. So now I'm just going to cut off the excess, let it dry, and then I'm not sure if I am going to sew it first and then cut it, because I want to cover the edges. I want to sew the edges, but then if I cut it somewhere that's not an edge, then I will need to sew it again. So I'm gonna have to think this through, because I'm having a little bit of a brain struggle today. But I used, instead of glue, because I really can't stand getting my hands nasty, gluey and sticky, and so I use this, my favorite collage medium, and it works on all. I looked it up. I can't even remember now. Mixed media, porous, non-porous, but it had paper, metal, fabric, okay. So I'm gonna give it a try, because I don't like, I wanted it glued, a solid glue underneath, so that if I cut it somewhere, something's not gonna pop up. Okay, so anyway, that was that. That was such a great idea. Don't know why I've never thought of this before, but I've made me some Jessica tags. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that, and then I will cut it up and sew it, and then I'll show you. Okay, so I cut them with the paper trimmer. It doesn't go all the way through because of the fabric, which I probably could have if I'd have, messed with it, but I didn't want it to. So here is how they're cut. I didn't do standard, 3 inch and 4 inch. I just kind of worked it around so that it would be cut in a place that I liked it. So I am going to finish cutting them out, then I'm going to go sew around each one, and then, like, for example, this one here, I'm going to have to also, besides just around, I'm going to have to hit this seam here just to make sure. I am happy to say it feels very secure, except where I missed places. The collage medium. Feels real good. I feel secure with that, using it on fabric. So, okay, well, I just wanted to show you that real quick, and I'm going to go finish cutting and sewing, and then I will show you the final little cards. Look at them. They're so cute. Got some little ones, shorty fatty ones. Some of them I cut in tag shape, some I did not. I really like them. And I really don't know why I never thought of this before. But it's fabulous. I think they're adorable. Can't wait to use them. Okay, so now I will go in on some of them and, you know, poke hole, put an eyelet, put a ribbon. Some of them I will just do a topper, like, you know, attach it directly here. Some of it I probably might do nothing. Others of them, like this is kind of plain, I might, you know, decorate up with some of these little ephemera pieces I was showing you. Like these little bitty things, not these big old giant ones, but, well, you know, little tags or labels or different things, maybe a flower, you know, I don't know. And some of them I will leave, like this just doesn't need a thing. There was another one that I thought was pretty cool looking too. It doesn't need anything, but this is fun. I actually have some craft, what's it called? Brown craft, the mason jars that are stamped. I may have to add one of those. I'm not sure, but that would be really cute. Anyway, I'm excited, and that's, yay, thank you, Jessica, for the idea. All right, that's it for now. Okay, so I finished my little set of 12 tags and journaling cards. When I get to it, you know, like to put it in and it needs something, I will finish it up then. I may need a little, you know, die cut or flowers or a butterfly or, you know, something. But they're stitched. They've got toppers or fibers or whatever on them, and I think they're so cute. This is the one with the World Traveler little journal card, or not journal card, tag, no, label, whatever. I thought this was kind of cute. This one will definitely get something else. I just need to figure out which page I'm going to put it on and what's going on. But it definitely needs something else, but I really liked it. I like that color. And then these. And this here, which is probably fine, but this one may, you know, I don't know if it needs something on top or not, but it's, for right now, it's fine like it is. But anyway, I thought that was cute, and I wanted to show you how absolutely easy this is. I think I'm going to do another page, another 12 by 12, because I have plenty of fabric left and several pieces that I didn't use over here. So if I just use the other half of the, you know, some scraps from the other half I didn't use, then I feel like I've dipped in and gotten a lot of stuff out and used it, because, you know, 2021 is the year of use up your stuff. And so I'm trying, and I got dipped into my big O, I mean, I can't reach it without bumping you, so I'm not going to do it. But I'll get it out next time and show you. I have this amazing container of brads, eyelets, doodaddy things. I don't even know what you call them. That in that vein. And so I used some today, and I mean, some of them are 20 years old that I've had for over 20 years. So Yes, it's time to use it. All right, well that is it for now, and the next one will be, I don't know. I don't know. Who knows? Let's just go wild and let it be a surprise. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.